something a little different today. I'm doing some a kingpin for a Ford tractor from the. It's actually a forklift, but it's a Ford tractor chassis. And so I'm honing these, and I didn't even think of recording it. I should have showed putting the bushings in, which is kind of fun to do. It's a little different. And I didn't think of doing this because it's a little different, so I thought I'd do it. Normally you're going to be using a big honing mandrel like this one, because it's got to be long. You want it even all the way across. But it doesn't quite fit yet. I need to do a little bit of honing first before I can get it on that one. So I'm using a slightly smaller one just to get it started. And this is probably not the right way, but it's the only way I can do it. Yeah, I don't have the smaller long mandrel, so I'm just doing it with a single one for now, just to knock a little bit of material off for the start. And let's see here. Yep, that'll do it. Now for the other side. Perfect. Now that it fits on the big mandrel, I can swap that over. Yeah, my machine, when I bought it, it didn't come with this. Whatever machine shop I bought it from, I guess they didn't do tractor kingpins. One time I did one of these kingpins for a customer, and well, he didn't come back because, oh, you charged me that much to do this? Well, look at all the setup. People just don't understand it. It's expensive to do what I do. When you look at these stones, how much they cost, I mean, I can't remember exactly, but if you buy them from from Sun directly, normally I'll look and see if I can find them cheaper on eBay from someone who bought them and needs to get rid of them. But last time I bought them, I spent a lot of money on I had to buy a big old stack of them because I go through quite a few. But this stuff ain't cheap. No one else in this area does it, so. So the reason why you need such a long one is you want to make sure that you're doing this one and this one at an equal amount. And that way they're perfectly in line, so that pin fits perfect. And you want to run it all the way across so that you're wearing your stones evenly. Because if you have an uneven stone, you're going to get an uneven cut. So this measures 1 1/8, just over. So 1.128. These are called 130 bushings when you buy them on aftermarket tractor sites. So I'm at 110. I got a long way to go. 20 thousandths. It's gonna take me a bit. It's not going to take me as long as I thought. I'm already at 120. And that seems like a good time to flip it. Just going to make sure that we're getting a nice even cut. So we're at 120 on the other side. Yeah, we're at 120. Perfect. It's always good to flip them, whether it's connecting rods or whatever. Just to flip them to make sure that you're getting an even cut. Look at that fit. There is zero. Wow, I got lucky. I almost went too far. There's absolutely no play at all. It's perfect. So there it is. With the honing oil, that's kind of fun. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to push in those bushings on a second one. So I have my own tools made for this. Well, I make them myself. And it fits right inside the bushing. So I'm going to push the old ones out, and we're going to get the new ones put in. Bushing is really messed up, so I'm going to be pushing it from all the way through. I'm not going to be able to get a good angle. Alright, the hard part's done. Now, if you look on these bushings, they've got an arrow. You want to, they're tapered to make sure that they don't fall out. And the arrow goes down. So you start with the bottom one first. You line that up with your grease zerk. And now for number 2. Same thing, arrow facing down. Line that up with your grease zerk. Alright, off to honing, but you've already seen that part. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope this was educational. And my dad's already over there installing it on that forklift right there. So there we go. Thank you.